You're driving home the way you always do. Maybe it's after work, maybe you're running errands, maybe the kids are in the back seat quietly watching something on a screen. Nothing feels unusual. The road is familiar. Your hands are on the wheel, your mind is somewhere between today and tonight's dinner. And then, out of nowhere, the car ahead slams on its brakes, or someone swerves into your lane without signaling, or a pedestrian steps off the curb a little too fast. Your heart jumps. You react, and somehow everything turns out fine this time. Here's the thing. Safe drivers aren't just quick on the reflexes. They're the ones who build small habits that help them avoid those surprises in the first place. Most crashes aren't caused by one massive mistake. They're caused by small habits repeated every single day. The good news is, changing just a few of those habits can dramatically lower your chances of something going wrong. If you enjoy practical driving tips that help keep you safe on the road, consider subscribing. We share these habits every week to help you drive with more confidence. The first habit is one most drivers don't even realize they're skipping. Look far down the road, not just at the car right in front of you. When you only watch the bumper ahead, you miss everything that's coming. You miss the brake lights 3 cars up, the kid on the sidewalk, the slowdown at the next light. Looking farther ahead gives you smoother braking, better reaction time, and far less stress. Professional drivers rely on this habit more than fast reactions. It's like giving yourself a few extra seconds that'll feel almost invisible until one day they're the only thing standing between you and a bad situation. The second habit is about space. Always keep a safe following distance. The simple rule most driving instructors teach is the 3-second rule. Pick a fixed point ahead, count to 3 after the car in front of you passes it, and if you reach it sooner, you're too close. In the rain, snow, or at night, bump that up to 5 or 6 seconds. Tailgating is one of the most common habits on the road, and it's also one of the most dangerous. A few seconds of patience can prevent years of regret. Now, to be fair, nobody drives perfectly every day. Traffic gets heavy, you run late, and suddenly the gap in front of you shrinks without you noticing. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection. It's making safer decisions more often than not. The third habit is staying aware of your surroundings. Check your mirrors every few seconds, not just when you're about to change lanes. Know what's beside you. Know what's behind you. Know where the cars around you tend to drift. When you assume other drivers will do the right thing, you're setting yourself up for a surprise. Most of them will. Some of them won't. Safe drivers plan for the ones who won't. This simple habit could give you precious extra seconds to react when someone does something unexpected. And this is where many drivers accidentally create unnecessary risk. They fix their eyes on one spot, develop tunnel vision, and stop noticing what's happening at the edges. Awareness is what turns ordinary driving into defensive driving. The fourth habit is one people underestimate. Drive smoothly, gentle acceleration, gradual braking, smooth steering, that's it. When you drive smoothly, your car stays under better control. Your fuel economy improves, your brakes last longer, your tires wear evenly, and your passengers stop getting carsick. Aggressive braking and jerky lane changes might save you a second or two, but they cost you comfort, control, and sometimes a fender. Which of these habits do you already practice every day? Let me know in the comments. I read them, and some of your answers genuinely surprise me. The fifth habit is the one that quietly ruins more drives than anything else. Eliminate distractions before you ever start moving. Put your phone somewhere you can't reach it. Set your GPS before you shift into drive. Adjust your mirrors, your seat, your climate controls first. Eating while driving, scrolling at a red light, glancing at a text. None of it is worth it. Distracted driving has become one of the leading causes of crashes on every road in every country, and it doesn't take a long distraction. It only takes 1 second at the wrong moment. And while we're talking about habits that protect you, please wear your seat belt every single trip, signal early, slow down when the weather turns bad, and stay calm around aggressive drivers. Don't match their energy. Just create space and let them go. Safe driving isn't about being the fastest or the boldest. It's about being consistent. The good news is all of these habits become automatic with practice. Within a few weeks, looking farther ahead, keeping your distance, scanning your mirrors, driving smoothly, and silencing distractions won't feel like rules anymore. They'll just feel like the way you drive. Subscribe if you want more simple driving advice. road safety tips, and car maintenance guides to keep you confident behind the wheel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Drive gently, look ahead, and stay safe out there.